Hi, my name is Gabe. I'm here to talk to you more about the importance of maintenance minder, specifically sub-symbol 3. What this maintenance minder entails is replacing the transmission fluid and transfer case fluid if applicable for your vehicle. Many times it's often recommended that you change the fluid in your car every 30 to 60,000 miles, but with the maintenance minder sub-symbol 3, this will help in knowing the right time to replace your transmission fluids. Modern transmissions vary in many ways. Some transmissions have gears and clutches that are constantly being used when driving your car, and some use a steel belt. The fluid in your transmission serves as a lubricant for all the moving parts. Over the time, this fluid degrades and breaks down, and if not changed, can lead to premature transmission failure. It is vital that this fluid is replaced when the sub-symbol 3 shows up. At Midtown Honda, we deliver excellence in our service and customer satisfaction, ensuring that your transmission fluids have been replaced to keep your vehicle in excellent condition. Visit us now at 3400 Dufferin Street, right across Yorkdale Mall, or give us a call at 416-789-4102 and leave satisfied knowing that your vehicle needs are fulfilled.